don't know if you can hear me very well, but this is a day in the life of Penny, and I'm actually in a conference.
To be precise, I was at the Holocaust Memorial Conference. This is my friend Barnabas, a very keen history student who organized this conference. I met him through the Academic Executive Board. Being such a good friend with him, I had such a proud moment when he did his opening speech.
So good afternoon and welcome to the University of Exeter for our Holocaust Memorial Conference 2019. I'm Barnabas. I'm a final year undergraduate history student here at the university. I'm also a regional ambassador for the Holocaust Educational Trust and a youth champion board member for the Holocaust Memorial Day Trust. I believe it's vital for us to learn about and remember the Holocaust and subsequent genocides. In doing so, not only do we honour those who were murdered and who suffered the most horrendous persecution, we also commit ourselves to standing up to hatred, anti-Semitism and discrimination in our own society today.
It was a very enjoyable conference overall, and I surely learned a lot about World War II and the Holocaust, and I particularly enjoyed the opening testimony from a Holocaust survivor. Unfortunately, I had to go halfway through.
So that was a very interesting conference. I got to listen to the story of a Holocaust survivor. It was super interesting, but I had to leave early because I'm college officer for College of Life and Environmental Sciences, and that means I have to go to an academic executive meeting. And funny enough, I'm actually job sharing with Ben, so he's also a college officer, and he's at a totally different meeting which is on at the same time, so because of the job sharing thing we can be in two places at once. That's quite nice. I wonder if Jonathan Bartley and Sean Berry found the same thing when the job sharing for Green Party.
I actually had some food for a ExeVlog social tonight, so I decided to leave them in the communal fridge before coming into my meeting.
Hey, so the meeting is over, but it sort of overran, and so I'm late for my exercise class. Yeah, I can't be bothered to go to my exercise class 12 minutes late, so I'm gonna do something else. Let's see what I can do.
And I ended up at Expose meet and greet.
Online news editor, which involves telling all the fascinating stories from around the university, such as beavers being researched. It's great stuff. And sometimes we tell the university what they're doing wrong. That's quite fun as well. Yeah, it's great. I've been writing for about 2-ish years now. And some of them have been read by people, probably. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know what else to say about this other than write for Expose. We're not a cult.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm being told yes.
What's your favourite thing about working for Expose?
Procrastinating in the office by not doing my degree.
Excellent.
There you go.
After that, I had dinner on campus, and this is ExeVlog Cheese and Wine Social, something I was looking forward to all day. It was a very good social in the end. And of course, I was looking forward to having a rest as well. It was a long day.